Hello everybody, welcome. Second video today. That other one I've just done and I've just pasted. I've lost the receipt for it. I can't find the receipt. So I don't know what I could be going back. But today it's going to be just something nice and simple. Takes about 5 or 6 minutes to cook. And you ain't got no excuse to cook this. Even if you ain't got time, 5 or 6 minutes, job done. Let me show you what I've got. Right, I've got 3 plummets of mushrooms. I've washed them all up, get them all prepared, ready. I've got 2 bags of bean sprouts. Got a couple of bags of ready to wok noodles. And I've got 3 different stir fry noodles. That's a broccoli and bean stir fry. Oriental stir fry. And a butternut squash and chilli stir fry, that one. That one's 30% off. And I've got 3 different stir fry sauces. All this was from Aldi. Got a Chinese one. Hoisin sauce one. And a sweet chilli one. And I'm going to make 3 mushroom stir fries. Simple. Delicious, hopefully. Right, I've only got 2 woks. I mean, that's my really old one. Just a bit thingy. It is clean. It's just the way it is. I've had that as long as I've met Nat. 18 years. So I'm going to have to do the other one in a frying pan. So first thing I want to do is I want to get them steaming up first. So I'll get that done. Right, they're steaming up. So just put a drop of oil in the bottom. Just a drop. Don't need a lot. And I'm going to get the mushrooms in first. Depends how you like your mushrooms. Now I like mine to go in first. So mushrooms in each one. I'm going to be out all over the place with this. 3 different things going at once. Give them a couple of minutes. Give them a stir. Right, they've been a minute or 2, that's all. Smelling gorgeous, all these mushrooms. I'm going to get the bean sprouts in. I'm not using the whole 2 bags of bean sprouts. Probably use 1.5 bag or something. Get them in there. Now I'm going to get the stir frying. I'm going to put the broccoli one at the back. Get it in. I'm going to put the butternut squash one in the frying pan because Nat don't like butternut squash. I'm going to put the oriental one in there. Mix again for another minute or 2. Right, I'm going to pour 3 different ones of these in each one. I'm going to put the Chinese style one in the one at the front. Smelling absolutely delicious in this kitchen. Oh my god. Chinese one. I'm going to put the hoisin one. You see that? In the frying pan. And I'm going to put the sweet chilli in the broccoli one at the back. You're trying to work quick. Mix everyone together now. This one at the back's the hottest. It's boiling, this one at the back. I can't hold and touch the handle. Right, I'm steaming up in the kitchen. I do apologise. I open that window a bit. I'm going to get my noodles in each one now, pack of noodles in each one. Right, now I'm going to mix it all together. A minute or so. I am struggling a little bit because I've only got 1 pair of hands. It's still smelling delicious. Right, that one's done. Frying pan one's done. Turn him off. Right, I'm going to dish them all up now. This is the curry one. I'm probably in your way here. What we're going to do, we're going to stick them all in bowls and we're going to sit at the table and have a bit of each. So a bit different. There's the curry one. There's the hoisin sauce one. Put that at the back. Bigger bowl in that one. And the sweet and sour. I think it was sweet and sour, wasn't it, or something, or sweet and chilli or something, I don't know, I can't remember. Get it in anyway. Now I haven't put any garlic or anything in because one of the lads don't like it, so season to your taste. All the salt and pepper, we'll probably put a bit of that on as we go because one of the lads don't like it. Well, there you go, 3 stir fries. Quick, simple, easy. It took me about 10 minutes with nearly 3 arms, but... Right, we're up the table, me and that. The lad's took his upstairs because he doesn't want to be on camera. So let me show you. Here we go. Can't remember which is now. Hoisin. Curry, no, sweet and sour and curry. 3 lots of me and that are just going to tuck in. Our lad's already had his. So tuck in, Bab. Okay. That one's sweet and sour. That one's curry. And that one's hoisin.
I'll try this one first.
Go on then. We'll both have some. We'll both have some. Let's get it in. 3 different lots.
Just try this one first.
I'm going to get a bit of everything, me. Oops. Sorry about the camera work. Using one hand. Oh. Sweet and sour, that one. What do you think? Let me know. You're a first taste tester. I haven't used that sauce before, so.
It's nice. Don't seem to be much flavour there.
Not much flavour?
No.
No? In that sauce?
No, don't seem to be much flavour.
Let me have a go.
Yeah, go.
Let me get some of that last one first. I've only got 2 pairs of tongs, so we're just going to have to go in here. I've never had that sauce before. I used to buy that packet sauce, you see, so we'll try this. It smells nice though, doesn't it?
It smells lovely. And you can see all the juice at the bottom. Look.
Stick some juice on it then. Well, and that's just put a bit of sauce on hers. I'm just going to have a taste anyway.
Just taste it.
Let's have a go with this. Hoisin sauce first.
A little bit better.
That's not bad.
What, hoisin sauce?
I didn't put any seasoning in it, garlic and that in it, because Black don't really like that, so. A bit of garlic and that, a bit of salt and pepper on it, I suppose. Next one, this is the curry flavour. Curry one's a bit bland. That curry's a bit bland, very bland to be honest. Let's try the sweet and sour.
Try the one or try it? Bland.
The hoisin's the best.
I'm going to try some of this one then.
Yeah, that's the best.
I'll try some of this one. That's a bit, it's bland, isn't it?
It's a bit bland. It's a bit bland. The
Yeah.
sauce is. It's the sauce, isn't it?
Oh.
The food's nice, it's just the sauce.
Yeah. This one looks nice. This one looks. Oh, this one looks really nice. Do you know, I'm not doing very well with these tongs.
But that's got butternut squash in it. So
yeah, I know the orange bit. So
I don't like butternut squash.
yeah, but I just moved the orange bits out of the way.
It's nice, but there's not much flavour there, is there, in
No.
that?
That's that bit, and I've got a bit there. That one's the better one.
That's the best, isn't it? That hoisin one, isn't it? Don't like that curry one.
No.
No, I didn't like that curry one either. It's very bland.
I don't like that one.
Yeah, well there it is. It's quick and simple. I suppose if you seasoned it, or maybe got 2 packets. I mean, I put loads in, didn't I? So, I mean, I've done enough for 4. Them packets are probably only for 2 people. But it's nice.
It is nice.
It is nice. I mean, you've had 2 bowlfuls now. 2 platefuls. Don't care, do you?
That one's the better one.
Yeah, that's better. 100% better. Yeah, if you're doing it for 4 people, if you get 2 packets, it'd be a lot better, wouldn't it? Because each one of these is for 4 people. I mean, look how much we got here. We've got loads. We ain't eating all this, have we?
No.
I'm going to mix all mine together. Why not?
But out of all of them, the way you cooked it, hoisin one first, That one's
then sweet and sour, then the curry ones. There's nothing in that curry one at all, is there?
Don't like the curry one.
No, there's
I
nothing
like
in
the
it.
food, but it's a shame because it's spoiled. It's spoiled it. If you get what I mean.
Yeah. Anyway, there we go. Gonna go and eat it now. Right. That wasn't very nice, to be honest. Them sauces ain't the best. We usually have these sauces, we do. Just find that in the cupboard. And them sauces are really nice. I didn't really like them pouchy sauces. Unless there was meant for 2 people. I threw the packets away now, I don't know. Unless you had 2 packets. But they're only, what, 35p. And then other ones are, what, 79, I think, or something. So I'd stick to them. Because they're quite nice. Well, there we go. 3 stir fries, 10 minutes. Put your own seasoning in. You know, the whole lot cost me about £2. I think it was about £2.80 for each one, each stir fry. So for 4 people, it ain't bad, is it? If you're starving, you're hungry. But I'd definitely season it. But there we go. Anyway, I've had people ask me about, I can't get it, they're trying to send me emails. No, I ain't getting them. I put a thing here. The email address is theoldfoodguy@gmail.com. I'll put it here anyway. People might be just sending oldfoodguy@gmail.com. I'm not getting it. It's theoldfoodguy. I'll put it there anyway. Well, there we go. Thanks for watching. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. What you got to say about the food?
I didn't like it.
She didn't like it. It was average, weren't it? It wasn't disgusting. The Chinese one was, weren't it? The Chinese one was disgusting, but it weren't disgusting. It was just plain, weren't
It's just bland.
Bland.
No taste there.
No.
But the food's not. The food's nice.
The food's nice,
taste,
but it's just taste, isn't there? Yeah.
No.
Bye-bye.